welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a delicious breakfast egg dish. So we're gonna start by cutting some ingredients, which these ones have already cut. That's yellow onions and red bell pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these green onions, which I have washed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it into small pieces. Today we're going to use 3 eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and crack the egg into this bowl. This is a high protein breakfast. We'll see how it's going to turn. Some salt in it, and then we're gonna mix it again. I'm gonna mix everything together: the green onions, the red bell pepper, and the yellow onions. So we're gonna get everything in, and we're gonna mix everything. This is what it looks like. I'm going to start by adding the butter to the pan. The butter is melted. We're going to start adding our mix. That's the egg, bell pepper, green onion, and the yellow onions. Mix all together with the egg and season with salt. So let's go ahead and add our mix. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheese to it, just to bring everything together. Our egg is done. I'm gonna put it in a plate, and then we're gonna get ready for the tortilla. Alright, we're gonna put it in a plate. Add a little oil to warm the tortilla up, using avocado oil. I'm going to set in our tortilla. I'm going to turn it over. When it's done, I'm going to add another one. Turn it over. Add some cheese on the tortilla. Then we're gonna scoop a little bit of this. And that's it. Now we are going to make breakfast tacos are done. This is what it looks like. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thank you for my old subscribers for always supporting me. So let's see what we're gonna pair this with for this breakfast. So we're gonna pair it with, this is avocado, fresh avocado yogurt with cherry on top, and we're gonna enjoy it. That's what our breakfast tacos look like. Look at it. Thank you for always coming back to support me. Please, if you're new, just subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please come back for more videos, for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching our breakfast taco with avocado, yogurt and cherry on top. That's gonna be our breakfast for today. Thanks for watching again. See you in my next video. Bye.